Friends, welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine here. As you know that this is your class 5th NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 11, Sunita in Space. So first of all, before starting the chapter, we will know about Sunita. Sunita Williams is the full name of Sunita. She is an astronaut. Who is astronaut? Astronauts are the person, or you can astronaut is a person who goes into space to learn about space, planets and heavenly body. Sunita Williams is an astronaut who has gone into space through the American agency NASA. This is an American space agency, and she was the second American astronaut of Indian heritage to go into space. Now let's see what about some children in the chapter or talking to each other. This is a question for you. What do you think the earth look like? Make a drawing of the earth on your notebook. In your notebook, on your drawing, show where you are. Take a look at your friend's drawing too. What is our earth really like? Uzaira and Shamir are playing with the globe. Globe? What is globe? Globe is a model of our earth. While they play, they are talking to each other. Uzaira is telling, do you know do you know that Sunita Williams is visiting our school tomorrow? I have heard that she has spent more than 6 months in space. Shamir, looking at the globe. Look here is America, Africa. Hey, where is space? Uzaira. The sky, stars, sun and moon, they are all in space. Shamir, yes, I know. Sunita Williams went in a spaceship. I saw on TV that she could see the earth from there. Uzaira. Yes, from there the earth looked like this globe. Shamir, if our earth looked like this globe, then where are we? Uzaira takes a pen and places it on the globe. You're watching, she is telling that we are living here. That is our country, India. Uzaira, here we are. This is India. Shamir, if we are here like this, we would all fall off. I think we must be inside the globe. Shamir is telling that if we are on the globe, then we would fall off. It means we all are inside the globe. But Uzaira is telling, no, if we are inside, then where is the sky, the sun, the moon and the stars? We must be on the globe, and all the seas and oceans must also be on the globe. She is telling that no, we all are on the globe because there is sky, sun, moon, stars and oceans, and sea is also on the globe. That is why we would be on the globe, not inside the globe. Shamir, pointing towards the lower part of the globe, you mean to say that no one stays here? Uzaira, people live here too. Brazil and Argentina are here. Shamir, are the people there standing upside down? Why down these people fall off? Why don't these people fall off? Uzaira, yes, it looks straight, isn't it? And this blue part must be the sea. Why doesn't the sea water fall off? So the sea water cannot fall off, and the people also cannot fall off because the earth has a gravitational force. The earth attracts everything towards itself. That is why nothing can fall off from the earth. Here there is a question for you. What do you think? If the earth is round like a globe, how is it that we do not fall off? The answer is the same. The earth attracts everything towards itself because the earth has gravitational force. Do the people in Argentina stand upside down? So you can answer no. They also stand like us, but when we see the earth, on the globe, or if we see the earth or the globe, it looks very small, but really our earth is very vast, means that the earth is very big. If we see from one corner to another, then we see absolutely the plane, the earth, we see the earth is plane, and we do not see the curl of the circle that we see on the globe. We cannot see on the earth. We cannot see means such as that you are watching that this is a globe, so this is a curl on the globe, and we say that this is the earth. It means this type of curl should also be on the earth, but there is no curl on the earth. That is why the people who live under the globe, there the earth is also plane and look like this. That is why they do not fall.